Alright everyone, in this set of videos, this video is going to follow up with the last one where we started exploring SolidWorks patterning abilities. In the first one we really concerned ourselves with circular patterns, so essentially rotating a fixed set of features around a point, using given rules and whatnot. Whereas in this video we're going to be doing linear patterns, which are essentially taking a feature and repeating it linearly rather than radially. Now this video is going to be quick, it's going to be short, it's going to be to the point. If I sound a little bit off my commentary, I'm not going to continually make the excuse that I'm new to doing YouTube videos. Obviously I have 15 up so far. I've kind of started to get the hang of it. It's because, first of all, I am a famous procrastinator. So I've spent a lot of time just kind of sitting around procrastinating against doing more videos. The other reason being I've started trying to pick up a new CAD tool, which is Siemens NX. If you know the name already, it probably carries some degree of infamy to you. I am actually planning on doing a full set of videos on it later. But that's not right now, that's quite down the road. So what we're going to do is we're just going to punch a big square. And then what we're going to do is we're going to delete these centering lines, exit the sketch. We'll extrude this up an inch. And the reason why I'm flying through these processes right now is because these are pretty much standard SolidWorks maneuvers. There's nothing that's changed from this video to any of the other videos. So that's why I'm just kind of brushing over them real fast. If you need reminders on those concepts, again, then of course, the other videos are always up to watch. Now what we're going to do real quickly is we're going to put a bunch of center lines on. And the reason we're doing this is just to help center the hole that we're just going to be making. So now we have that in place. Let's make a circle. And the first iteration I did of this video, where I was just kind of like, the entire time, I decided to make it half-inch diameter. Nice, clean, simple, good for tutorial purposes, and still easy to follow. And this is one of the things I always do. I always make sure the hole actually punched out correctly. Now what we're going to do is we're going to select the hole. We're going to select the extrusion that we just did. We're going to select linear pattern. Now we might as well move back to the isometric view just so we can see what's going on. Now you're going to see this direction up here and you're going to wonder kind of like, what do I do with this? There's many different things that could qualify as a direction in SolidWorks. The most obvious to you will be to click the side. Now obviously you'll notice that first of all, the spacing is much too close and we're packing a lot of them in there. So adjust the spacing. We'll go back down to 1 just so I can walk you through it again. And we'll go 1 inch on the spacing. Now watch what happens as I decide to increase the number of instances right here. You'll see that SolidWorks automatically patterned them out. So we can fit 9 in that area. Now, what we can do, what SolidWorks allows us to do, is create essentially multiple patternings at once. So we can take these 9 holes that we're about to make, and we can do them in the other direction in a single step. We wouldn't have to take this and then linear pattern it this way. We can just simply select this direction, and it will automatically take care of it for us. So then, of course, click that, and then, as you know from my previous videos, deciding to put a chamfer on every hole in the face is as easy as selecting, the single unifying face, essentially the common face between all these holes, and basically going and just going like that. And in about 5 minutes and 51 seconds, we've basically created what would in other CAD programs take a long time to do. So that's going to be it for this video. The next video that I have planned is something where we're actually creating something. It's a rocket nozzle injector, essentially the end cap for a rocket nozzle combustion chamber. I don't know why I decided to pick that, mainly because I'm trying to study aerospace and I thought it'd be cool to kind of do. I made it up myself one night in SolidWorks and I kind of figured it'd be kind of interesting to do as a tutorial. It's going to really start to make you get the hang of extruding and circular patterns. It's going to really help bring you up to proficiency in those two things. So that being said, again, I'll reiterate, although I probably don't need to say it anymore, all these videos will be posted on my GitHub. These files will be in the public domain for you guys to study, look off of, steal and call your own if that's what you're into. So yeah, guys, I'm about to do the next video right now, so we'll go through them back to back to back to back.